Hello, my name is Kim Sauer at Productronica 2015, and 2 years on, although I do see you in between,
yes,
but 2 years on from the last time I saw you at Productronica, I'm here with Claire Saunders.
Hello.
Very nice to see you here at Productronica in Munich, and it's 20 degrees outside.
I know,
What's going
crazy. I know, look, I've got no jacket on. Normally you've got scarves on and gloves. It's been fantastic weather. It's really good, yeah. And it's lovely to see Munich in such a bright way.
How's that reflected on your work that you do here?
It's made it warmer, but no, it's been good, and I think the city seems so much busier. There's a good vibe. Everyone feels happy, and the traffic so far is looking really good.
Mm-hmm. So you've got a number of clients here, obviously, that are taking part at the show,
yes.
And you're also very busy with all the other shows that you're doing. So give us an update of what's going on there.
Well, National Electronics Week will be back at Birmingham at the NEC from the 12th to the 14th of April. So we're running that again alongside the Mac, Drives and Controls, and about another 5 industry events. So it together brings the largest gathering of industry professionals sort of in the manufacturing forum at one place at one time. So we always see a peak in our visitor numbers for that event because there's a crossover, and obviously people want to come and see as much as they can because their time is very, very precious. So we're looking forward to that. It's in Hall 2 of the NEC. And as I say, 12th to the 14th of April. So it's looking positive. Got a good mix of exhibitors already. Again, we'll have live features, seminars, and hopefully you guys will be back and do some filming like you did. So that's good.
Absolutely.
And then we've got South Africa.
Yep.
So South Africa, again, is our larger event this time round. So it'll be running in March 2016 in Joburg for our 2-day show. The dates will be on our website very soon, and the venue, so that's going to be exciting. And again, working with the trade association, it was previously ADEC, so I think maybe the last time we spoke it was ADEC. They've now changed their name to Area, so they're sort of widening their scope of what they're doing. They were very much sort of component-based trade association, and now they're working much more with the whole industry, which I think everybody's doing now because industry's changing. We all have to work better and closer with each other.
I was going to say, what are the sort of drivers for your growth? Because it's tough out there. It's tough from an industry point of view. It's tough for the trade show organizations and the organizations involved in all of those. How do you continuously reinvent yourself and get the people coming back to the shows?
From my point of view, and I was talking to somebody earlier on, and I've seen lots of people who are saying they're retiring this year. So I mean, I feel like I've been doing this a long time. It's been 20 plus years now. So
are you retiring?
I hope not. Well, my husband said I'm not allowed to.
Okay.
But people do move on. But it's a very close industry. It's a very networked industry. And from my point of view, what drives us and keeps us going is that we want a strong UK electronics exhibition. We know about our capabilities, we know about the good quality that we have in the country, and that's what drives us on year, because we want to make sure that we have a platform that allows people to see that. And what I'd like to see moving forward is for there to be more live manufacturing so that people can actually see the products working. And I know that if they're in the industry, they work on a production line, it's what they walk into every single day. But there's a lot of new technologies out there, and it would be great to show it and see it live. And get live demonstrations going on and reinvent and sort of rejuvenate the industry as well, because I think that's what we need. We all need a bit of...
And you have been doing that in the previous years. So last year you had Bob Willis.
Yes, that's right.
And the live production lines. Are there plans to do that at the other shows?
We will have more live features, and I think that's really important, and technical content, because we all need to learn and keep up to date with things that are changing. So, but I'd like to see it in a much wider scope, so we can see much more competitive stuff going on. We're going to do a hand soldering competition again. For the last 2 years we've done that. Both years somebody from a company called CIL have won, different people, so they're obviously very, very good at their jobs. So there will be lots of stuff going on, and we want to engage with people, and we want to know what they want as well, because although I speak to my customers and obviously they speak to their customers, we'd like to know from industry what they'd like to see. So anybody's got any clues or any ideas of what they want to do, then please get in touch. All of our details are on our website, which I'll tell you later.
Same approach obviously also for South African show.
Exactly. And South Africa's a great market, because the stuff they do out there, it's a very tiny industry, but the stuff they do is just so innovative and it's groundbreaking. And people don't realise. So although it has been said to be price sensitive, they also want to provide quality. So anybody looking to do anything over in South Africa, it's a really cost-effective way of taking part, meeting new distributors, meeting new contacts. And if you're a UK company and you're eligible, we also have UKTI funding this year. So that's really helpful. That pretty much pays for your stand. So. Yeah.
Last question, looking ahead into the future, are there other geographies that you're looking at to create some shows?
At the moment, we've as you know, we did North Africa, and obviously with the political situation currently out there, that hasn't been continued. We have been asked to look at Morocco again, but we'll keep an eye out and obviously work very closely with the UK government about the situations, safety and things like that. We go overseas, we go to all the international shows with our sister company SCS Exhibitions. So we are working in other industries and keeping active. But again, if there's a marketplace that people see as a growth opportunity, then we will be happy to investigate it.
Excellent. Well, again, great to see you here.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy the sunshine, and I look forward to seeing you in Birmingham.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Sunny Birmingham, hopefully.
Yes. Well, you
Can
never
arrange
know.
that?
Well, I kind of sorted it out. Yeah, I've had a
Okay.
word with somebody, and they're going to do what they can.
Excellent.
But with the global warming right now, who knows?
Excellent. Thank you very much, Claire.
Thanks a lot. Cheers.